So, good evening, everybody, and welcome to the static events and award ceremonies at Formula Bharat 2022. This season, we are in the process of celebrating 15 combustion teams and 13 electric teams with a total registration number at 28 teams from all over India. To begin with tonight's order of events, we would like to thank our sponsors, without whom this event would not have been possible. The first one is our platinum sponsors, Mathworks. Our platinum sponsor, Mathworks, an organization that prepares and supports the next generation of scientists and engineers with software, training, and mentoring to tackle the same technical issues as professional engineers. Student teams receive industry standard tools with a flexible design environment where they can apply classroom theory to competition problems. The organization also has a range of interactive online tutorials to assist student teams with various simulation process problems and block sets. Thank you, Mathworks, for coming on board as a platinum sponsor of Formula Bharat 2022.
Formula Student Germany is a design competition for students. They build a race car and then they have to compete in different disciplines, and who gets the most points wins in the end. One of the biggest challenges is to get everything ready for that 1 week of competition.
What you see in class, usually you don't apply at school. Now you have a very good chance to get your hands dirty. It's very important that all the key members learn MATLAB because that's what we use a lot.
We have static events and dynamic events. Static events are cost, design, and business. We have a skid pad, which is basically a figure eight, acceleration from 0 to 75 meters, an autocross, and an endurance event, which is 22 kilometers long.
We use MATLAB and Simulink to simulate the behavior of our tires, how they react on the racetrack.
I use Simulink for design of the disc brakes and choosing which disc brakes and pads I use for one competition.
I use MATLAB and Simulink primarily focused on the suspension design and vehicle dynamics. The design of the wings was based upon a DOE, a design of experiments, and then another optimization study using MATLAB and Simulink to apply external loads to our vehicle in another simulation environment. And when the drivers went out, the car handled flawlessly, and we made basically no changes.
We always have the problem that we have to calculate the power we can give to the motors. To do this, we process the data we have with MATLAB Simulink, and we simulate the system and find the energy we can give to actually finish endurance.
One of the most difficult events is the wet skid pad because we have to set up the car for right conditions. When we go testing outside, we gather a lot of data and we use MATLAB to sort data very quickly, very efficiently. And we're able to give hints to the driver and also give hints to on the setup of the car way more faster.
MATLAB and Simulink, we were able to start off with looking at the simplified vehicle model. So something you're just writing in a simple, one-page Simulink block. And then from there, we can tie it into other commercial softwares that are representing our full vehicle. And we can set up DOEs, optimizations, and basically run through our entire vehicle virtually before it even exists in CAD.
MATLAB Simulink was for us very important because the simulation abilities of the software is incredible.
We can do complex simulation or just on the corner simulation for some idea we have. It's really fast, it's really efficient, and it's really easy to use.
MATLAB and Simulink comes first in our design process.
Just great experience to build your own race car and have it and be able to drive it. In the end, it is about the fun in doing it.
Thank you for the confirmation about the audio in the video, guys. Really appreciate it. So that was the Platinum sponsors, Mathworks, an organization that prepares and supports the next generation of scientists and engineers with software, training, and mentoring to tackle the same technical issues as professional engineers. Student teams receive industry standard tools with a flexible design environment where they can apply classroom theory to competition problems. The organization also has a range of interactive online tutorials to assist student teams with various simulation problems and block sets. Thank you, Mathworks, for being on board as a platinum sponsor for Formula Bharat 2022. Up next is our gold sponsor, Zukin. Zukin is a global software company offering advanced design solutions for the creation of electrical and electronic systems. The company's business domains are spread across electronic design automation and automotive and machinery design solutions.
Hello, everybody. A very warm welcome to all the participants of Formula Bharat 2022. I'm MS Ashok, Director of Zukin India, a 100% subsidiary of Zukin Inc. from Japan. Zukin is recognized the world over as a leading technology-driven company providing cutting-edge solutions for electronics and electrical CAD design tools. Solutions provide a high degree of design automation, resulting in first-time correct designs and manufacturing outputs. This frees the engineer to concentrate on their core competency, which is innovative designs. That operates in the automotive and motorsport industry segment, we recognize the importance of continuing to support the development of young engineers. We believe that supporting this program is critical to keep an innovative supply of individuals entering our industry. For over 3 years now, Zukin has been an active sponsor for the Formula Bharat program. In addition, we also support a number of EV teams across the country. For us, it has been a great experience in working alongside groups of highly energetic, innovative, and committed teams and individuals. May the force be with you. This year, we are very happy to present the award for business event winner in the electric category.
Thank you, MS, sir, for your kind words. We at Formula Bharat are highly appreciative for your support as a gold sponsor for Formula Bharat 2022.
Hello, everybody.
Up next is our Silver Plus sponsor, Ather. Ather Energy was founded in 2013 and believes that the future of mobility is electric and connected. Ather has designed India's first truly intelligent high-performance electric scooters, Ather 450 and Ather 450X. These are complemented by a comprehensive public charging network, the Ather Grid. Ather Energy designs and builds all its products in India. Thank you, Ather Energy, for coming on board as a Silver Plus sponsor.
Mycelio.
Up, up next is a silver sponsor, Mycelio Mobility. Driven by passion for mobility and clean technology, Mycelio Mobility is powering a vibrant and self-sustaining ecosystem for electric vehicles in India. Mycelio Mobility is a network of 4 companies founded by Shreyas Shibulal and patronized by the family office of S.D. Shibulal, the Infosys co-founder. Mycelio Fund focuses on clean mobility and invests patient capital into clean mobility technologies and business models. Mycelio Studio enables startups to innovate by providing access to high tech and capital intensive equipment. Numerous builders designs and manufactures electric vehicles that specifically cater to last mile logistics and commute use cases. It is launching its first vehicle in December 2021. Lightning Logistics is an EV first last mile logistics company that partners with marquee clients in the e-commerce, e-grocery, food tech, and FMCG space to deliver goods.
A concept conceived and led by the vision of Shreyas Shibulal. Shreyas has been passionate about automobiles since a young age and has pursued this passion first by getting skilled in the relevant domains and then going on to build an entity that would allow him to shape the future of mobility. Mycelio is set up to catalyze an ecosystem which enables mass adoption of clean mobility solutions in India. This large ambition translated into us being the only entity in the country that works across a breadth of different aspects of the industry: venture capital, incubation and community, EV last mile logistics, electric vehicle manufacturing. We don't just build vehicles that have a positive impact on the environment, but tools that allow our end users to grow their micro businesses and earn a living. We have consciously chosen to serve people whose livelihood depends on their vehicles because we believe they deserve better. Our product characteristics are a natural extension of our philosophy as we consider the customer to be the most important stakeholder of the organization. This is embodied in the 3 key characteristics of reliability, safety, and smartness of our products. Diplos, the only indigenously built scooter from India to be used in a commercial application, is a testament to our product characteristics. It is built to be used in the toughest of city conditions and effortlessly stand out of the crowd. Diplos can carry a load of up to 120 kgs and climb a slope of 14 degrees. This makes it the most reliable electric two-wheeler to be used in cities with multiple flyovers. Diplos has been designed keeping in mind the safety of the user. The strong steel chassis and fully paneled body combined with the 12-inch tires and telescopic suspensions makes the vehicle ready to tackle the challenges of Indian roads. Being a 21st century product, Diplos is built seamlessly with all the connectivity features that enhance the vehicle's performance and rider experience. As excited we are for this product, we are even more excited for what we're building in the next few years. Over the course of the next 3 years, we aim to launch at least 2 new products and a few variants, thus making us in 2025 a multi-product, multi-variant clean mobility company. By 2025, we aim to sell 250,000 vehicles in over 100 cities in India and in a few international markets. Our team then of 250 strong employees would also make it possible for us to be in multiple lines of business. Our belief in ourselves to pursue and achieve these ambitious goals arises from our competencies. The full scope of in-house engineering capabilities enables us to design, engineer, and test multiple clean mobility products. These products then go into being mass-produced in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility located in the center of a beautiful 16-acre organic farm in the outskirts of Bangalore. This level of competency comes from having a group of extremely driven and talented people, shepherded by a strong set of leaders and advisors, all of them being guided by the vision of our founder. We are on our way to shape tomorrow, and if you are as excited as us to create it, then we would love to work with you. Mycelio.
Thank you, Mycelio, for coming on board as a silver sponsor. Up next is Bosch. Bosch Global Software Technologies, a silver sponsor, is a 100% owned subsidiary of Robert Bosch GmbH, one of world's leading global supplier of technology and services, offering end-to-end engineering, IT, and business solutions. Thank you, Bosch, for being part of Formula Bharat 2022 as a silver sponsor. Up next is our silver sponsor, Pravaig. Pravaig joined on board this season as a silver sponsor. Founded in 2011, Pravaig is a deep tech company with world leading technologies in electric vehicles, energy storage, and tera scale data acquisition. With a mission to build world class products, best in its niche, the vision is to build a new school of technology and redefine the relationship grocery, food tech, and FMCG space to deliver goods. Praveg is redefining the relationship with technology made in and by India. High value research, engineering, design, and supply chain. Through the usage of private open source and decentralized technologies, Praveg has developed the most ecologically responsible and lowest carbon footprint car solution in the world. Thank you, Praveg, for joining on board as a silver sponsor this season. Up next are our Bronze Plus sponsors, Godrej and Coexlion. Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Co. Limited joined on board this season as our Bronze Plus sponsor. Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Co. Limited, the flagship company of Godrej Group, has played a key role in India's economic history by driving excellence in design and manufacturing and delivering sustainable value for its stakeholders and communities. GNB's diverse presence across 10 industries, from complex engineering solutions to consumer goods like appliances, furniture, and security solutions, positively impacts the lives of one-third of India's population every day. From healthcare to infrastructure, GNB has committed to a nation building from its very inception back in 1987. Through international subsidiaries and joint ventures, the company's products have also established a strong global footprint across 5 continents. Thank you, Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Co. Limited, for coming on board as a Bronze Plus sponsor. Up next is Coexlion. Coexlion joined on board this season as a Bronze Plus sponsor as well. Coexlion is an international engineering consultancy specializing in the design of two-wheelers and electric vehicles. Based out of Bangalore in India and Coventry in the UK, Coexlion provides a user experience focused design approach. Innovation and design quality are the core values. Coexlion serves a global set of clients, including major motorcycle brands and new startups alike. Products range from entry-level mobility to high-value, low-volume superbikes alongside the customer-led projects. Coexlion also has an in-house innovation project with the target of creating IP around the next generation electric two-wheelers. Thank you, Coexlion, for coming on board as a sponsor this year. The bronze sponsor for this is Fabheads. Fabheads Automation is an automation company providing manufacturing, fabrication, and design services. It is the first company in India with advanced automated in-house capabilities in carbon fiber part manufacturing. The company has catered to 100 plus clients globally across various sectors such as automobile, space, aviation, defense, and industrial. Apart from being one of the best engineering focused organizations, it is committed to developing cutting edge technologies accessible by engineers, designers, and manufacturers. Thank you, Fabheads, for coming on board as a bronze sponsor this year. Last but not the least, we have so many staff, volunteers, and judges from across India and the globe who've taken the time out to make Formula Bharat 2022 possible. As Helen Keller said, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. We find that that is the truest saying ever. So I'd like to thank all the volunteers who've taken time out from their schedule to help support Formula Bharat 2022. The backbone of the event are the EV and the CV document reviewers, the business judges, the design judges for the combustion vehicle, the design judges for the electric vehicle, and of course, the staff at Curiosum Tech, the parent organization of Formula Bharat, who work throughout the year to make this event possible. So one last time, a big thank you to all the volunteers who've made this event possible. I'd like to see some appreciation and support for all the people who worked for this event in the comment section. Thank you, everybody. So without further ado, let's move on to the award ceremony. First up, we shall be presenting the awards under the combustion category. So there were 15 combustion teams who have participated in the combustion category this year. I hope everybody is excited to see who are the winners of all the awards as much as I am. So let us begin. This event is of course sponsored by Mathworks, the engineering design event that is. So the first award is the second runner-up for the engineering design event that is sponsored by Mathworks. And the award goes to I know I've held a lot of suspense. Do you guys have any guesses? Without further ado, the award goes to car number 09, GDU Motorsports from Gujarat Technological University. Congratulations to the former winners of Formula Bharat, Gujarat Technological University, car number 09, on winning the second runner-up for the engineering design event. So the next award is the first runner-up of the engineering design event, sponsored by Mathworks. Any guesses? Okay, this time let me not do so much suspense. The winner is car number 06, Team Fateh from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. Congratulations, team. And finally, we have the winner of the engineering design event sponsored by Mathworks. Does anybody want to take a guess to who it is? Okay. So, winner of the engineering design event for the combustion category is car number 23, Ashwa Racing from RV College of Engineering. Congratulations, guys. Next up is the award for the cost and manufacturing event at Formula Bharat 2022 under the combustion category. Taking home another award this night, the first runner-up in the cost and manufacturing event today is car number 06, Team Fateh from Sorry, there's been a technical glitch here. Car number 19, Camber Racing from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Katankulattur. Congratulations, Camber Racing. And the winner of the cost and manufacturing event is car number 06, Team Fateh from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. Congratulations, team. Next up are the awards for the business event under the combustion category. Before moving on to the winner of the business plan events under the combustion category, let us hear a few words from the business event lead, Shreyash Kalal.
Good evening, teams. I hope you're all doing well, and it was fun watching you all present the business plans. I just have quick feedbacks for all teams, maybe to improve the level of business plans being presented next year. So the first thing would be most of you confused a go-to-market strategy with a marketing strategy. A go-to-market strategy is not a marketing strategy. It would include stuff like SWOT analysis, competitor analysis, market segmentation, Fortress 5 Force. There are hundreds of them, but you would have to choose the tools that suit your product the best. Second, and the most important thing is that there's a rule in the rule book that says whatever product or service that you are offering must be related to the prototype that you register in the competition. So I think you guys have a product. I mean, it is related to that, but during the presentations, you guys are not able to link it to the prototype. So please make sure that happens. And that's one of the most important things. And the third would be a vision and a mission for your company is not the solution, right? You address a problem and the problem has a solution, but the solution is not the vision and the mission. So if you do include a vision and a mission, don't skip out on the solution. The next thing would be the products and the services. All of you mentioned that you have certain products and service offerings, but it's either a product or a service or products and services. Any product that you're offering to the customer and the customer using that product is still a product. It's not a service. So please be very clear on what your problem or what your solution is addressing, and whether it's addressing using both products and services or just a product or just a service, right? And coming to the financials, this is the last bit. Any data that you have to support, it can either be from your own survey or from your own experience, or it can be estimates from a blog or something like that. So anything, every point or every number has to be justified, because that shows the credibility of your financials. So make sure that happens the next time. That's it from my end. Ruben?
Thank you, Shreyas.
Yeah.
For your insight. So we'll be now moving on to the business plan event, the second place winner of the business plan event. It is car number 23, Ashwa Racing from RV College of Engineering, Bangalore. Congratulations, team. And the winner of the business plan event under the combustion category is Car number 03, ZHCET Formula Racing from Aligarh Muslim University. Congratulations, team. Up next is the Best Powertrain Award winner. This award is sponsored by BGSW, that is Bosch Global Software Technologies, our silver sponsor. And the winner is car number 23, Ashwa Racing from RV College of Engineering. This is the third award for the night. Congratulations, team. Let us now move forward to the awards under the electric category. Let's start off with the engineering design event that is sponsored by Mathworks. The second runner-up of the engineering design event under the electric category sponsored by Mathworks goes to car number E10, Orion Racing India Electric from KJ Somaiya College of Engineering, Mumbai. Congratulations, team. The second place in the engineering design event under the electric category goes to car number E09, Accelerator Formula Racing from Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Congratulations, team. And the winner of the engineering design event competition under the electric category that is sponsored by Mathworks is car number E04, Team Kratos Racing Electric from Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune. Congratulations, team. Let's move on to the cost and manufacturing event for the electric category. The second place goes to car number E06, Team Octane Racing Electric from College of Engineering, Pune. Congratulations, team. And the winner of the cost and manufacturing event under the electric category is car number E04 again, Team Kratos Racing Electric from Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering. This is the second award tonight already. So moving on to the business plan event, the second place goes to DJS Racing Electric from Dwarkdas J. Sangvi College of Engineering, car number E05. Congratulations, team. And the winner of the business plan event sponsored by Zukin India for the electric category is car number E03, IIT Bombay Racing from Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Congratulations, team. Next, we move on to the special awards for the night. There are two special awards for the best powertrain under electric category that is sponsored by Mycelio Mobility. The first runner-up of the best powertrain under the electric category sponsored by Mycelio Mobility is car number E09, Accelerator Formula Racing from Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Congratulations, guys and girls from Accelerator Formula Racing. And the winner of the best powertrain under electric category sponsored by Mycelio Mobility is car number E10, Orion Racing India Electric from KJ Somaiya College of Engineering, Mumbai. Congratulations. Next up is another special award for best battery design sponsored by Ather Energy. And the winner is car number E10 again, Orion Racing India Electric from KJ Somaiya College of Engineering, Mumbai. So we have one last award for tonight. Sponsored by Ather Energy again is the System Intelligence Award. And the winner of the System Intelligence Award is car number E03, IIT Bombay Racing again, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Congratulations, team. So this concludes the awards for tonight. We'd once more like to thank all our sponsors at Formula Bharat 2022, Mathworks, Zukin India, Ather Energy, Bosch, Mycelio, Pravaig, Red Bull, Godrej, Coexleon, and Fabheads, without whom Formula Bharat 2022 would not be possible. Thank you for everyone tuning in to check out the awards. I hope everybody is as excited for the 2 dynamic days that are coming up. And I hope to see you all on track tomorrow. Congratulations and have a good night.